Okay, so in this video, we're going to be breaking down how exactly we're getting to Guatemala, what we're doing about mango, and everything else really in between. So, my name's Chris.
I'm Grace.
And we're the Roaming Rosses. We want to show Mango off, but right now, as we're in the cabin on my parents' property, it's really hard to film with him. He's chewing on everything, jumping everywhere, and it would not be a enjoyable, watchable video for you.
If you haven't seen our last video, go and check it out. It's right behind this one. It's pretty much why we're traveling to Guatemala. So if you're curious about that, go back and check our last video.
The main question we're getting asked a lot is how we're getting to Guatemala. And it's pretty complex right now.
It's a multifaceted answer.
Because of Mango, it is a little bit more difficult.
A lot more complicated.
Instead of just being able to buy plane tickets, go to the airport, fly to your country, get your passport stamped, hotel, beer, pool, whatever you're traveling for. But now with Mango, that's not the case.
So it's been a huge learning curve for us. We are just solo travelers who merged into couple travelers, and now we're doing it as a family with a dog.
Yeah.
It's very difficult, totally new. So mostly what we focused on was what was going to be most comfortable for Mango during the travel. What is seeming to work out best for us is we're going to drive from Ohio all the way down to Dallas. It's about 14-15 hours. We're going to break it up between 2.5 days, maybe 3 depending on travel. And then we're going to get on a plane from Dallas straight to Guatemala. That seems to be the easiest because he'll only have to be in an airport/plane for a day, opposed to having to do with layovers, losing multiple flights, losing him in luggage.
Dogs do get lost by airlines in luggage, and while we wish that I would love to drive all the way, but it's just not practical with our current car situation. Honestly, it's easier taking Mango responsibly through cargo on a 3-hour flight.
Yes.
He'll be okay. We're making sure we've done more research
on anything else in my life. I don't think I've researched anything else more than how to get my dog into Guatemala.
Yeah.
So
we're figuring it out. It's going well.
It's going well. We're almost there.
Yeah.
Finish line is approaching.
So the next video we do is probably going to be a full-on packing list video. Deep dive into exactly what we're bringing, why we're bringing it.
Just kidding! We're gonna show you a packing video right now. We changed our mind and we're just gonna run through the whole thing, so watch us pack.
Yeah, we're gonna plan on doing another video, but time's kind of ticking. We're leaving in a couple weeks, so we want to get out as much information as we can as quickly as possible. So when we get to Guatemala, we can show Guatemala, not the journey. So here's the packing video.
Okay. So we're gonna start with bags. This is the check bag I chose to bring. It's just like a massive duffel bag. Luckily it has some straps on the back, which is gonna make it great for travel, mostly clothes. This is my carry-on bag. Good old backpack, trusty backpack. Mostly just gonna hold my electronics, outfit, phone chargers, like immediate needs kind of thing. So that's this bag, and I'll show you Chris's.
So, my checked bag is going to be this guy. This is my hiking pack. I've taken it on most trips that I've ever went on. You can roll it all the way down to a carry-on size. So outside bag, waterproof. I really like it. A lot of hiking trips with this bag. And then it's going to be my carry-on bag. Got this in Vietnam. We were going on doing some shopping at some local stalls. Found this really cool North Face backpack, and probably gonna bring this little Himalayan hemp backpack that I can roll up when we're going to again, the markets, going to the grocery store, etc. There we go. These are all my tank tops and t-shirts. I have about 10 or 11 total, which is drastically more than what I normally bring, but with us producing content now, I can't be wearing the same clothes every single day like I'm used to be doing. What I try to gauge for is about what I need for a week when it comes to shirts. And I have a few more for the chillier nights. It doesn't get super cold in Guatemala, but there's going to be times where we need a little bit more than a t-shirt or a tank top. Now is kind of like the nice going out shirts. I have all my button downs here. I really like wearing just nice breathable button down shirts depending on where we're at. Dressing up.
He likes to show off that chest hair.
The single chest hair.
Alright, so my shirts. I have a little bit of a different approach. I've got some workout tank tops, some sports bras. This is like my, I don't know, workout / undergarment pile. And then this stack is my shirts. Not a whole lot, very basic girly. Got lots of linens in here, lightweight stuff, a few long sleeves, nothing crazy. And that is pretty much it. If you've watched any of our previous vlogs, you'll know that I wear a lot of these little tank tops. They are like the best thing ever. They're kind of like a universal bra / tank top, and I wear them everywhere all the time. I'll link them below if you want, from Amazon. They're only like $20 for a 3-pack. Couldn't live without them. Next up is pants. So I did go out and splurge a little bit and buy myself some new linens. So I've got, you know, some linen pants that are gonna be great for the beach, the lake, and overall everything. I do have my handy dandy trusted linen overalls. You guys know and love these. I can also link these below as well. Amazon find. Amazing. And that's it for pants.
So I got my shorts here. Couple workout shorts, couple pairs of swimming trunks, and then a couple just lounging shorts. So which is more than I normally bring, but I like options. Normally I'm just traveling with a carry-on. This is the first time I've ever traveled with a check bag in a long time. So I have a pair of linen pants I picked up in Tunisia that I love. Wore them all throughout Egypt, Central Asia, Southeast Asia. When we needed to get into the temples, these were my go-to pants, and I loved them. And then a couple pairs of a pair of khaki joggers, a pair of regular joggers for the cold nights, and for when Grace and I might be going out to a nice little dinner.
Date Mike. Nice to meet me. Alright, speaking of dates, I have this beautiful collection of thrifted dresses that are a part of my soul now, and I refuse to give them up. But they're coming with me. I found them all over the world. Lots of beautiful colors and vibrancy, which is kind of where I want to be when I'm in Guatemala. I want to match the locals. So I'm wearing all the colors, and they're all coming with me, all of them. Alright, also, while we're at it, because Chris mentioned it, these are my bathing suits. You know, they're little. It'll take a lot of room.
What about shoes?
Shoes! Alright. I've got my wide ends. I recommend these highly. We get them off of Amazon as well. They're for wide feet.
They're really easy to stain though. So they're really easy to get dirty, but we recommend them.
They're also easy to clean because they're cloth. Yeah. So my Ultras, my go-to gym shoe, also wide feet. We walked the entire Camino in Ultras, so I couldn't recommend them more. Link in the description for those. And then these are gonna be my flip-flops. These are my replacement flip-flops right now. I have some over at the actual house, but these are taking place of my flip-flops. Placeholders for my flip-flops.
I also have a pair of Ultras. I love them. Super wide toe box. Cannot recommend them enough. And then another pair of wide ends. Not so white anymore. They get really dirty really quick. I might take them. I'm going back and forth. My Sanooks, definitely coming with. They're amazing. Kind of just slip on all together. It could be house shoe, could be going out, take out the trash super quick, kind of throw on. Very comfortable shoe. Highly recommend those. And then the old trusty flip-flop. I think these were like $7 at Walmart. That's shoes. Next is a few different hats. Actually, there's another one over there that I'm going to bring. So probably 3 or 4 hats. Little fanny pack, Himalayan hemp company as well. I love them. Really good bags. Hammock. So not going anywhere without this guy. Gonna hopefully find a few trees around the house, throw this up, and will be a ton of fun hanging out. Drone. So I'm so excited to bring the drone. I have only brought it on one backpacking trip. We got it out the other day in the snow when we had a little mini snowstorm here at the valley, and played around Mango. We took some group shots. It was super fun. Really excited to get this out and film some of beautiful Guatemala. Placeholder for toiletries, sunnies, we're trying to show as much as possible, but there are things like the laptop, what we're filming on, the GoPro, her camera, which I think is here.
That's my camera bag. This has all my lenses, chargers, all of the the actual camera body itself. It's all in here, so this is obviously coming. Of course, we forgot to mention this as well, but socks, underwear, bras, all that stuff is coming with us. Sorry, you guys aren't gonna get a sneak peek into my underwear drawer. And I'm also, of course, bringing a fanny pack. Gooders are the best. We don't go anywhere without Gooders. They're our favorite. And then, of course, some hats. So that's pretty much it.
So I wanted to show this a little bit. Oh, thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
Something that I started doing a while ago was taking a reusable bag or two with me on trips because one, reduces your carbon footprint using plastic, of course, at grocery stores. Two, some countries, unlike the US, you don't just get free grocery bags when you go to the grocery store. So instead of buying them, bring something. You know, it's better for the environment, saves you money in the long run. All together, bring and use reusable bags.
I think that's it for our little packing video. Oh, okay.
Sorry.
All right, old man. So I think that's it for our packing video. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment on what we're bringing or what we're not bringing. I'm sure we missed some things, so please just throw those in the comments if you have questions. So back to the video. This is also a personal choice. So we're gonna make this packing list video, but with a grain of salt. You know, like you're gonna want different or value different things than we're going to value to bring with us. So just take that into consideration as well.
For sure. Well, I guess that's about it. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for commenting and liking, sharing all of our stuff, following along. I know we've been out of the loop for a while. Again, if you haven't seen our other video, go ahead and please check it out over there. It'll be here or over there. I don't know. Somewhere. We're not very professional at this yet, so we're hoping to get better.
Yeah.
And hoping you continue following along.
Continue to comment and share the love, guys. We love seeing old comments, like you know, like old subscribers come back and comment on our new videos. It brings us so much joy. We're just really grateful for the little community we've built here. So just keep liking, keep sharing. Make sure you click the bell because that's going to notify you when we do upload something new. Other than that,
we're going to be showing off a lot more mango.
Yeah.
A lot more of roaming, not just sitting cabin side. Yeah. So it's right now, it's currently February, heading to the land of eternal spring, and we are so excited to show you guys the whole process. Yes. The whole way. So
still currently trapped in Ohio where it's snowing.
Check us out on all of our socials at the Roaming Rosses, and we'll see you in the next one.
See ya.
See ya.
You wanna watch me take a dump? Look at this outfit. Shut up and tell me that's not adorable. Linen on linen.